These things is what did me in. Yeah, these things. Never in my life will I ever eat another one. I don't care how tasty they are. Never again. Never. Well.
Yeah. Okay.
Today is our final day before we head home. Today we're in Amsterdam, and I was thinking about the first day in Rome was like 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and we were like horribly sweaty. Today Jim's got his jeans on, and I have nothing warm, and it's kind of chilly today. So
yeah.
The last day of our trip.
It's raining.
I broke a tooth. Don't eat corn nuts. Don't.
It has memes of its own.
I didn't even know. I was eating my breakfast of corn nuts. They weren't real corn nuts. They were Amsterdam corn nuts. And I lost half of a tooth.
Yeah.
No pain. I'm okay. I'm okay. We do have trip. I'm tough. Nothing hurts. We do have trip insurance. And I was thinking about going to look at it at the dentist, but I don't want to use my last day going to the dentist. But it's all good. My teeth's still there, but just a bummer. It kind of like bummed me out. So we're gonna go look, just
walk around.
Hope we don't lose any other body parts today while we're out and about.
Yeah.
No plans, cold weather. I'm ready to go home. I know he's not, but we're coming home, and we have 3 weeks, and we're gonna go to Galveston, and we got a cruise on the Allure of the Seas, and we're going to Mexico, Cozumel, Costa Maya, and then Roatan, Honduras. The typical thing. But this time I'm gonna go swimming. I can't wait.
Yeah.
Get me in the water. Look at the cold man. He's wearing 2 shirts, a jeans, and Crocs. Crocs with socks. I have a song with that, don't I?
Yeah.
Crocs with socks. Crocs with socks. Woo. It's cold out there. Okay, we're going for a walk. I'm not gonna let my tooth let me down. Well, my tooth did let me down. I want to do the front of the hotel. And there it is. I actually kind of like it.
Here.
And is that our room up there?
Ours is the balcony right above the.
Yeah, I don't know how we got the balcony. You know that?
See, they have a balcony.
Yeah.
But there's none in the middle.
Yeah, I don't know how that happened. I call it luck of the draw.
Yeah,
Karma. Good karma, and then my tooth went away. So I was showing how close it is to the Van Gogh. There's our hotel. Basically, there's the Van Gogh.
Right across the street.
Yeah, so I was wrong. It's not 1 block. It's like 2 blocks. Ish. It's a good location.
Yeah.
We got the Van Gogh.
And the
Modern Art Museum. Grocery store. It's very important. It's a quick walk too. You can't go eat out every day when you're gone 5-6 weeks. Jim's having a baby soon. So Jim asked where we're going. Jim, where are we going?
I don't know.
I don't know. We don't know where we're going. We're just gonna take a walk. The weather's been kind of yucky. Oh, look at that, huh? But nice, good.
Rights Museum.
Concert hall. They have like, whoo, it's windy. You probably can't even hear me.
So like everywhere we go, there's bikes everywhere. Everywhere there's bikes. Everywhere. Wow. Just wow. Wow. This is a mineral
Fossils.
and fossil.
I wonder if they're real. Are they real, Michael? Or are they fake?
That's a rat skull. I know that one because I saw the rat at the across the street from the hotel in the construction site. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You think that's cool?
I do. These are actually not even that bad. They're like 25 euro, if they're real. They might be sketched, etched into something. But you're not wasting a lot of money, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Almost fell over.
Don't do that.
Like meeting, like if it's not that much and you're okay with it, you can spend 25 euro and then be like, oh, it's not real. It's
It's
kinda like,
worth it.
yeah. It's raining, people. Getting rained on. It's cold. Good thing we have an apartment. We have a room to go back to.
Yeah, we don't have an apartment this trip, so not yet.
Oh, but I got my rings closed. We're good.
All right.
You can head back now. I'll sit now.
All right.
Close my rings.
Oh, I know where we are.
Yeah, okay.
We've been here before. A couple years ago, before COVID. These little buildings are awesome. Little apartments, houses, or whatever.
Wait, are we not where I thought we were?
I don't know. Where do you think
What's that?
That's the right.
The Rijksmuseum. Okay, I was right then.
Yep.
Okay, because that's what I was just on. We're on the other side.
Right. All right. So we are now in front of the Rijksmuseum. Rijks.
I always thought it was Rijks, but Rijks. I guess it depends. It's like Van Gogh isn't Van Gogh. It's Van.
Yeah. I don't know how to pronounce it in Dutch. So, yeah.
It's pronounced different here. So
Yeah.
I can't remember. I'll remember later.
Right.